how to convert Facebook account to page. And on today's video, we will learn how we can convert Facebook account to page. So without further ado, let's get started with our video. Converting a Facebook account to a Facebook page is a useful option if you have been using your personal account for business, public figure activities, or other professional purposes. So here's how you can convert your account into page. For that, first of all, open up your Facebook application and make sure to sign into your account. Once you're logged in, from your home page, tap on your profile icon with the three line at the top right corner. You will land on your menu page. Here, scroll down and find a menu as page. If you are not able to navigate it here, tap on See More. Scroll down and you will find Pages, tap on it. Here, tap on Create at the top left corner. Tap on Get Started button from the bottom of this interface. Here, you have to enter the name of your page. So, enter the name of your business, brand, organization, or a name that helps explain your page. Then tap on Next. Now, choose the category for your page. A category will help people find this page in search results, so you can choose the category where you can add up to 3. Then tap on Create. Here you have to choose what describes your goals. Tap on Continue. Then you have to fill up all this necessary information. You can add bio. You can add any contact at the website, email, or phone number. You can add the website of your business. You can add your email, phone number. Then under that, you have to provide your locations. Provide your address, city, and zip code. And under that, you can choose the hours you're available for your business and tap on Next. Now you can add a profile picture, cover photo. Tap on Next once you have added your profile picture or your cover photo. Then you can use the Invite Friends features to invite followers and friends from your personal profile. You can simply choose your friends from this interface and invite them to like your page. Then tap on Next. Here it says stay informed about your page. If you want to receive any notification, turn on this preferred toggles, then tap on Done. And with that, you have created a page from your personal account and you are switched to your Facebook page that you have created recently. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.